Maybe you've completed your bathroom renovation with Bathshack and are ready to take on a kitchen upgrade. Well, did you know we offer an extensive range of kitchen products too? Ryan recently totally transformed his AirBnB's kitchen, which is full of wonderful Bathshack products. These chevron blue gloss mosaic tiles make a stylish and eye-catching kitchen backsplash. Their dynamic V-shaped pattern adds a sense of movement, while the blue hues create a sophisticated look, perfect for both a modern and classic kitchen. These tiles pair beautifully with so many cabinet colours. Check them out with these bespoke, handcrafted cabinets from Joseph Martin. These kitchen cupboards are in their marble grey finish, which exude elegance and sophistication. Paired with the Joseph Martin Campana satin brass handle, this LC Comet granite single bowl kitchen sink in matte black brings a sleek and modern touch to any kitchen. Constructed from resin-based GRP, that's glass reinforced plastic to UME, and toughened with a hard-wired outer layer that makes it durable, scratch and heat resistant, which offers both style and practicality, making it perfect for everyday use. Paired with our Licio Ritchie instant hot water tap in brushed brass, it creates a striking contrast while adding a touch of luxury and convenience. The combination of bold black and warm brass tones enhances both contemporary and classic kitchen designs, ensuring a timeless yet functional centerpiece. To find out more about other Bathshack products you can use in other areas of your home, be sure to click the link in the description to watch another YouTube video or read the full Airbnb transformation blog linked below. Shop luxury for less at bathshack.com.